To order a new Cash App card, start by opening the Cash App on your mobile device and logging into your account. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one before proceeding. Once you are logged in, tap on the profile icon located in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile section where you can view and manage your account settings. In the profile section, scroll down and select the Cash Card option. This will take you to the Cash Card page where you can view information about your current card, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. To order a new card, tap on the Get a Free Cash Card option. You will be prompted to confirm your address and other personal details. Make sure the information is accurate, as this will be used to mail your new card. After confirming your details, select the design for your new card. You can choose from a variety of designs, including a custom option that allows you to add your own image or logo. Once you have selected a design, review the terms and conditions of the Cash Card. This includes information about fees, interest rates, and other important details. If you agree to the terms, tap the Order Card option to complete the request. Your new card will be mailed to you within a few days, and you can track the status of your order in the Cash App. It is essential to note that you must be at least 18 years old to order a Cash Card, and you must have a verified account. You can verify your account by providing your social security number, date of birth, and other personal details. Overall, ordering a new Cash App card is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few minutes. By following these steps and providing accurate information, you can get a new card and start using it to make purchases and withdraw cash.